sizothwala inyanda oh sizohlabelela oh ngemhla wenjabulo sizohlabelela ngemhla wenjabulo sizohlabelela. So one of you requested this song Sizothwala Inyanda by Joyous Celebration. Its original key is F sharp, okay? It's F sharp. Then I will break it down in G sharp, F sharp and C sharp, okay? So I will start with G sharp as always, okay? So before any waste of time, the song it starts right here. Like you listen to the first part, ne? I don't want to confuse you guys. So sizothwala inyanda. Then okay, I will first break it down in G sharp. Now, if you're new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you're watching this from TikTok or Facebook, go to my YouTube channel, check full video, okay? So I will start with G sharp, ne? Then it says sizothwala inyanda. This is G sharp, ne? It's like the one that sizohlabelela. Oh ngemhla wenjabulo sizohlabelela. Ngemhla wenjabulo sizohlabelela. So as I mentioned, the song is very simple. It's like sizothwala inyanda. Then you'll say 1, 5, then 1. First inversion, ne? Sizothwala inyanda. Second inversion 1, 5, then first inversion 1, ne? Then you sing ngomhla wenjabulo 4. You'll go to 4. Ngemhla immediately after 4, ngemhla 2, then 1, then 5, 1, then 2, then you say 1 again, then 4, then we go to 6, then we say 5, then we close it. Then that's it. Very simple, very simple. So before any waste of time, let's go straight to F sharp. I don't want to waste time on one song, ne? Which everyone can play. It is very simple, the song, okay? So in F sharp it says sizohlabelela. The progression is the same, ne? Sizohlabelela. Then this one, then we go to this one. Ngemhla wenjabulo, mhla wenjabulo. Then you go to here, then you go here, then you go here, then you go here. Then ngemhla wenjabulo, then you go here, then you go here, then you close it. Very simple, very simple, ne? Then it's like sizohlabelela, bathi sizothwala inyanda, sizothwala inyanda. So yeah, this is how it goes. Before any waste of time, let's go to C sharp. All right, C sharp. Sizothwala inyanda. Then close it. This is C sharp, ne? Sizothwala inyanda. Ngemhla wenjabulo sizothwala inyanda. Ngemhla wenjabulo sizothwala inyanda. You see, then you are done with your song. Okay, then you are done with your song, like Sizuthwala inyanda. This one, Sizuthwala inyanda. Again, Sizuthwala inyanda.